utensils on the sides. Knife on the right, fork on the left. Knife on the right, fork on the left. Knife on the right, fork on the left. No, you weren't. Always place your utensils where you find them, okay? Because they're there for a reason, okay? And again, so bring your fork, your knife to them. Okay, ready? Pick up your utensils. Index fingers in place. We will dine European style today. Okay? Index fingers. And we're cutting. We've cut that one piece. We pivot that into our mouth. Okay? We're cutting again. We've cut that piece. We pivot that into our mouth. Okay? We need to scoop some mashed potato on the back. And scoop some mashed potato on the back. And we pivot that into our mouth. It's time to put some rice on our fork. We place the fork down. We scoop from the front. And we pivot that into our mouth. Good job. It was delicious. We enjoyed it. And it's 5 o'clock position. Fork facing downward. That's 3 o'clock. That's 3 o'clock, like 3:10. I need to go to 5. Because remember, this is 6:10, like right here. Okay? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Good. Now this tells the waiter or waitress, you are finished. And they may come and remove your plates. Now, if you have bread, ladies and gentlemen, do not cut the bread. You break the bread. Okay? Have you ever had communion? Do you guys have communion?
Yes.
And they sing that song, let us break bread together. Yes. That makes sense. We break bread. We don't cut bread. So you break the bread in half. And then, ladies and gentlemen, you don't butter the whole half and bite until it's finished. You then break a morsel, break a piece of that can moderately fit in your mouth. You butter that little piece, and then you place it in your mouth.
So what, you dip it in butter?
No, you will have a butter knife. Okay, so you break it in half. You break a little piece that will fit in your mouth. You butter that little piece and place it gracefully in your mouth. We do that until the bread is finished. Okay? We do not bite until it's finished. And many people are guilty, and I'm not going to ask who. Okay? We break that little piece, butter that little piece, place that little piece in our mouth. Now, if at a table, when you have a lot of guests, at a table you have a shared portion of butter, jam, cream, whatever. They have a little bowl here, and it's just a bunch of it here. Under no circumstances do you double dip in a shared portion. Okay? You have to use the utensil they provided, normally a butter knife. Scoop out the butter, place it on your plate, and you double dip from your portion. Got it? Yes. It's improper etiquette to return to a shared portion, especially with your utensil, your personal utensil. You only use their utensil that they're provided. Scoop as much as you feel you will need. Place it on your plate and double dip from there. Eating only one piece at a time. Buttering only one piece at a time. Okay? All right. May I have a water goblet, please? Please, please, please. Thank you. You're welcome. You all did a phenomenal job. Cheers to you. Good job. Toast to you. All right. Woo! Give yourselves a hand. Yes. So we know European and American style now. You could show off at church. Ladies and gentlemen, practice this at home. Practice this at home so it'll be natural when you go out. Don't wait until you just go out. You will forget, or first nature will just be to do what you do. Okay? Practice this. As refined ladies, you want to do this. It's impressive, and it sets you to another level. Wow. Okay? Guys, just because you're a guy doesn't mean you got to be just whatever. You know better now. You know chivalry. You know what to expect from a lady. You know how to communicate, how to give a firm handshake. You know how to dine properly. So show it so they can see that you're different. Okay? Not better, but you're different. All right? I'm proud of you guys.